Welcome to United Public School Online Education, Class 3, Subject Computer, Chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers, Explanation Part 2. Hello students, as you know that we are continuing our chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers. In previous video, we already learned about computer system and their parts. Which are the parts of computer system? Hardware and software. You know about it? Yes, we learned in the previous video about computer hardware and their parts. Yes, now also we can learn the internal view of the CPU. Yes, now okay. Now today we are going to see different categories of hardware and about the software. So are you ready? So let's start. Okay students, so here see categories of hardware. So again revise the definition of computer hardware. What do you mean by the computer hardware? Computer hardware refers to the parts of computer that you can touch and you can feel. Yes, now. So these computer hardware parts are divided into 3 types according to their function. Yes, okay. So which are these 3 categories? First one is input devices. Second one is processing devices. Third one is output devices. So let us see about input devices. So what is input devices? The devices which are used to give input to the computer are called as the input devices. कि जो कंप्यूटर डिवाइसेस से हम कंप्यूटर में इनपुट दे सकते हैं. इनपुट मीन्स व्हाट? कंप्यूटर में अगर हम कुछ डालना है, नंबर्स टाइप करने हैं, कुछ राइटिंग पार्ट करना है, ओके, वो सब कंप्यूटर में जाता है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द इनपुट. सो ये इनपुट जो है हम कौन से डिवाइसेस के थ्रू दे सकते हैं? The devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. So keyboard is used for the typing purpose, right now. So by using the keyboard you can type the numbers, you can type the letters in the computer. Then mouse. So by using the mouse, how you can give the input to the computer? By clicking, by pointing, selecting. In this way you can use this mouse to give the input. Also you can use in the painting also. Yes, na? Okay. Microphone, whatever you speak out, it is to be recorded in the computer by using this microphone. Then scanner. Yes, scanner is used to put the pictures and the documents into the computer. Yes, so these are all the input devices. Right? Now the next is processing device. Why it is called processing device, not devices? Because there is only one processing device is there. Let us see. The device which is used to process the input data, it's called as a processing device. अब हमने कंप्यूटर में इनपुट डाल दिया, right? So उसके ऊपर जो प्रोसेसिंग होती है, that processing is done by this processing device. Okay, so which is this processing device? Yes, example of processing device is CPU. So CPU is the processing device. Okay, now the third one is the output devices. So what is that output devices? The devices which are used to show the output of the processed data are called as the output devices. जो भी हमने डेटा कंप्यूटर में इनपुट किया, then after that processing will be done. After processing, whatever the data we can see, that is nothing but the output. Okay, so how you can see this your processed data? Yes, you can see with the help of these output devices. So which are the examples of output devices? Monitor, printer, headphone and speakers. Monitor, on the monitor whatever you can do, we can see on this monitor screen. Yes, now. Then printer, if you want to take the pictures or the documents on the paper, so you can take the printout with the help of the printer. Then headphone, whatever you speak out or the songs are there, you can listen on the headphone. Yes, and speaker also is used for the songs, videos, sounds, all types of sounds. Yes, now so these are all are the output devices. So again see the categories of hardware. Hardware is divided into three categories according to their function. Input devices, processing device and output devices. Okay. Now the next is computer software. So it is also very important part of computer. Yes, software. What is software then? Software is a set of programs. उसको ही हम बोल सकते हैं instructions that tells a computer what to do. Okay, you know that computer क्या है? मशीन है. अब मशीन अपने आप चलेगी? No, we have to give some instruction recorded in that. Yes, so that is nothing but the programs. Okay, that means different programs we have to be installed in that computers. So according to that instructions or programs, the computer work. Yes. So which are the software are there? Here some popular software are there. Which one? Photoshop CS3, MS Office. Yes, you use na MS Office. So that is also the example of software. Then Windows, you can use Windows also. Yes, and Sternex 2 games also you play. Yes, na different types of game. So that games is also nothing but the example of software. Yes. So remember, hardware cannot work alone. Software makes the hardware parts work. हार्डवेयर में अगर पार्ट्स होते वो अपने आप वर्क नहीं कर सकते, उनको वर्क करने के लिए व्हाट वी नीड, यस सॉफ्टवेयर. सॉफ्टवेयर उनको वर्क करवाता है. यस. हाउ कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर वर्क्स? इट वर्क्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सॉफ्टवेयर. यस. ओके. Okay students, so now see types of software. So there are two types of software, application software and system software. So first we see the application software. Have you noticed that wall clock at your home? What does it do? It does only one thing. It shows the time. Similarly, the application software is a software that helps you in doing same specific work. That means application software is a software that can do only specific work. That means it is used for typing, it is used for drawing, it is used for painting, it is used for calculation. So this type of different application software is available. So let us see which are the examples of this application software. See, for example, you use the paint program to draw. You cannot do sum using the paint. आप पेंट में क्या करते हो? ड्राइंग करते हो? Yes, but आप पेंट में कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो? सम्स कर सकते हो? No, because this paint program is used for the drawing only. Yes ना? So to do the sums, you can use a calculator. अगर हमको sum करने तो we program we use the calculator. Yes ना? So calculator में हम drawing कर सकते हैं? No, it is used for doing the only calculation. So different work के लिए different application softwares होते हैं. Right? So which one? See the examples. Paint, Windows Media Player. It is used for playing the songs and movies. Then calculator. Then Purple Place. It is one type of game. Yes. Then WordPad. It is used for the typing. You use na this WordPad. Yes. So these are all other application software. Okay. Okay students. Now let us see system software. As your parents control and manages the different works at your home. Yes ना? आपके मम्मी पापा पूरे हाउस को मैनेज करते हैं, कंट्रोल रखते हैं. Yes ना? Same way the system software controls and manages all our activities of the computer system. यस ना, अब कंप्यूटर सिस्टम वर्क कर रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोग्राम्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू द एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. अब इसके ऊपर कोई कंट्रोल करने वाला चाहिए. यस, सो दिस सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कैन डू दिस वर्क. यस ना, so the system software is like the manager of the computer system. yes ना, जैसे आपके घर पे आपके पेरेंट्स मैनेजर होते हैं, like that way system software is the manager of computer system. It manages all the activities of computer. okay, so system software runs the application software. system software क्या करता है? एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को रन्स कराता है, यानी दौड़ाता है. नो, रन्स करता है मीन्स चलाना यहाँ पे बोलेंगे हम. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर वी कैन यूज. यस, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर कंप्यूटर, अ सॉफ्टवेयर ऑल्सो स्टार्ट विथ इट. दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज कॉल्ड एज अ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. okay, when you start a computer, at that time this operating system is also start with it, and it is also loaded in the computer system. This operating system we shortly say that OS. OS is the example of system software. It is also called as a part of system software. ये system software का part भी है और उसको हम example भी बोल सकते हैं system software का. तो system software का example कौन सा हो गया? Operating system, that is OS. Without system software, the computer is like a car without a driver. जैसे कार विदाउट ड्राइवर के चला सकते हैं? नो. सेम वे कंप्यूटर जो है विदाउट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के हम ऑपरेट नहीं कर सकते. सो स्टूडेंट्स, look at the some operating system. So which are these operating system we use? Windows XP, then Windows 7, Windows 8. Yes na, you can see whenever you start the computer, this type of logo will come. Yes na, that means this operating system is in your computer. So this is all about the software. So what is software? Software is nothing but the set of programs, that means instruction. According to that, computer work. Yes na. So which are the two types? Application software, system software. Application software is used for special purpose or for specific work. Yes na. And which is the system software? System software is nothing but the manager of computer system. It manages and controls all the activities of computer system. And system software example is operating system. An example of operating system is Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, MS-DOS. All others are also there. Linux, these are also the operating system. Okay, so here we finish our chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.